The Institute of Africa Higher Education, Research and Innovation, IAHERI, Maryam Abacha, American University of Nigeria, MAAUN, in collaboration with Higher Education Leadership and Development Academy Nigeria, HELDAN, has organized a workshop aimed at exposing participants to the complexities of higher education governance, leadership, and management in the university system. The participants, who are academics, were drawn from 4 universities including Federal University Dutsinma, Katsina State, Northwest University Sokoto, MAAUN Niger, and MAAUN Nigeria, the host university. The event, which took place at the School of Computing MAAUN Kano, was aimed at creating awareness among the stakeholders to understand the developing and workable higher education system, as well as understanding its challenges, requires the scholarship and expertise of trained higher education professionals. In his presentation, a professor of higher education and founder Nigerian Society for Higher Education Research and Development, who doubles as the chief facilitator, advocated the recognition and institutionalization of higher education as a field of study and a professional practice in Nigeria. Professor Muftahu, a seasoned academic, expressed concern that despite being the largest in Africa with millions of students, the Nigerian higher education system has suffered from acute scarcity of complete lack of higher education professionals. He explained that HEPROs are a group of higher qualified personnel in higher education institutions who support the academic and administrative systems and procedures in the institutions. According to him, a country's overall development is dependent on the strength and its higher education system, which is heavily reliant on the presence and contributions of the HEPROs. Professor Muftahu, who presented 3 papers, left no stone unturned in his efforts to bring to limelight the realities on ground and opportunities there under higher education system that universities stand to gain when given a chance. While appealing to the government to initiate a framework or policies to continuously support higher education development and involving HEPROs training, Professor Muftahu also tasked the participant to try to put the knowledge gained into action by establishing at least micro higher education policies in their respective institutions. He commended MAAUN for taking a bold step towards the promotion of higher education research with the establishment of its Institute of Africa Higher Education Research and Innovation, IAHERI, under the leadership of Professor Abubakar Sadiq Haruna. In his welcome address, the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, said higher education plays a pivotal role in shaping the future of the society. According to him, it is through effective governance, visionary leadership, and efficient management that universities could ensure the delivery of quality education, foster innovation, and empower students to become leaders of tomorrow. He charged all participants to actively participate, share their experiences, and engage in fruitful discussions so as to learn from one another, forge new connections, and collectively contribute to the advancement of higher education. Professor Israr expressed hope that the workshop would be a catalyst for meaningful change, fostering a brighter future in higher education institutions worldwide. He identified some key areas that should be prioritized to elevate the status of higher education, including higher education research and policy development, leadership, professionalism practice, a national strategic action plan, and the establishment of a National Institute for Higher Education Research. In his closing remark, the president of MAAUN Group of Universities, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, stressed the need for effective management of higher education to promote research and development in universities across the globe. He said the workshop was part of MAAUN's renewed effort and commitment to advancing higher education governance in the university in particular and in Nigerian universities and beyond. Professor Gwarzo lauded the director of IAHERI, Professor Sadiq Haruna, for initiating the program and urged the participants to make the best use of knowledge acquired to ensure effective and efficient management of the universities. While emphasizing on the importance of innovation and internationalization, Professor Gwarzo said MAAUN would continue to promote innovation, research development with a view to ensure academic excellence. Highlight of the workshop include group discussions, questions and answers, award of certificates to the participants, and a photo session, among others.